How to change name in EA Sports FC. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username in the game. First of all, open your application. Now here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on your profile icon. So here in your profile section, here you can see this edit button on your name. Simply tap on this edit button. Now you can enter a new name and you can easily change the name. But there's a twist. You must have a rename card. So first you must have a rename card or you must buy a rename card in order to change your name. So this will only allow you to change the name, otherwise there's no such option. So you can directly buy it or you can even gain it by having some gifts in the game or getting some prizes. So first collect a rename card and you can easily do so. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.